Meaning of emotionally.
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 Emotionally. Emotionally refers to the way individuals experience and express their feelings and emotions. It pertains to the affective aspect of human behavior and its impact on one's thoughts, actions, and well-being. People who are emotionally stable can manage their emotions effectively and remain calm during challenging situations. They can also form healthy relationships and communicate effectively with others. On the other hand, those who struggle with emotional instability may have difficulty regulating their emotions, which can lead to mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Overall, emotional well-being plays a crucial role in our overall health and happiness.